In teaching design thinking, as well as conducting my research, participants always ask me how they can master design thinking. First things first, I always say that we're called practitioners for a reason. It is a practice. We are always evolving as we test different methods in different contexts. Just like I wouldn't go learn a new language and then immediately expect to be able to present it in front of thousands of people in that new language, it's the exact same thing as design thinking. The first time isn't going to be perfect. Mastering design thinking is a lot like becoming comfortable in the kitchen as a cook. At the beginning, you're just learning the basics. How to crack an egg, how to measure correctly, what tools to use when. It's the same with design thinking. First, you need to learn what tools exist in the toolkit, the basics. And then you slowly become intermediate, which in the kitchen is following step-by-step recipes from cookbooks. You start out with recipes that have simple ingredients and only a few steps. You can begin to step up your game and try more rigorous recipes in cooking or involving others. Design thinking is the same. At this intermediate level, you try simple recipes like empathy maps, starting first on your own and then starting to expand other people and other teams. As you become more advanced, you start to change those recipes based on your preferences. Just like I would adapt a recipe based on what I prefer or what I have in the fridge, in design thinking, I start to take those out-of-the-box activities and change them based on my needs and my audience. Once I'm in that master level, both in the kitchen and in design thinking, you can really start to combine the skills and experiences and knowledge, coming up with your own recipes, and then even starting to share those recipes with others. Don't expect design thinking to be an immediate success. It's going to take practice, but that's when the fun begins.